Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So there is very common questions like, for example, if you have a private Instagram account and you have total 200 followers, but you got 300 views in your reels. So how you are getting 300 views if your followers is only 200? So the answer is like, it's not like how many view doesn't mean like 300 people have seen your video. That means a single person can see multiple times. For example, if I have seen your videos 3 times, then the view count will be 3. Even if I have watched for just 3 seconds, then the view count will be done. So it doesn't the number of followers doesn't matter here, the number of view, how many times a view has been done. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.